Alright, today we're taking a look at the 2018 Land Rover Range Rover HSE. This is honestly one of the nicest we've had in a while. Very highly optioned. Got the Fuji White exterior with a really nice two-tone leather interior. Like I said, very highly optioned. You got a lot of bells and whistles. Our favorite part so far is the two-tone leather steering wheel on this. You got heated seats, cooled seats, a bunch of different drive modes, heated steering wheel. Got the awesome panoramic sunroof with the blind shade. Even the doors with the two-tone leather. So you do have the factory upgraded sound system as well. We do have a few of these right now, but this is the nicest one we got. You do even have heated seats back here. You got two different power sources with a real 110 plug outlet. So you can plug your real phone charger in. Even the two-tone rear seat. You got the little hook for your clothes. We even have different air vents up here with some full climate control back here. So you got the luggage rack. You can even operate your seats, change the height of the truck if you got something heavy going in. Then again, you got a real 110 plug outlet back here. Everything is full power. Live on the website today at BRIANSAutocenter.com. Like I mentioned, we got a few of these in stock right now, but this is the best one. It's the highest option. Just clean.